What is the design process? Works of ingenuity. Computers and other engineered devices help us solve many problems. Engineers use computers and hand-drawn diagrams to plan designs. People use products of engineering every day, such as toothbrushes, faucets, cars, and buses. Engineers are problem solvers who invent or improve products that help us meet our needs. Engineering is the process of using science and mathematics to find solutions to everyday problems. Engineers work in many fields. They can design and test materials, work in factories, or on farms, or work in medical laboratories. The right tool for the right job. Technology is any device that people use to meet their needs and solve practical problems. Technologies such as tools and machines, medicines, and even weather satellites play an important role in improving lives. Technology changes as people's knowledge increases and they find better ways to meet their needs. For example, over the past 150 years, electric washing machines have replaced washboards and hand-cranked washing machines. The design process. Engineers follow a design process to design new technologies. The process includes a series of steps. Engineers identify a need or problem and then brainstorm possible solutions. Engineers also choose the most practical solution and build a working model, or prototype, to test. Engineers keep careful records, such as detailed notes and drawings, throughout the design process. These records help engineers remember what they have done and provide information to others working on similar problems. These detailed records are also used to build and make changes to the prototype. If the prototype doesn't work, the records help the engineer determine what might work next time. Engineers test and improve the prototype based on criteria, or standards that determine how well the design is doing its job. They also redesign and modify the design if it does not meet all criteria or is unsafe. Engineers then communicate the design results orally and in written reports. What if you don't succeed at first? Materials, cost, production time, and safety are some of the criteria that engineers consider when designing products. Thomas Edison tried 1,000 times and took 2 years to develop a longer-lasting light bulb. Finding materials that work well affects the design process. When designing the light bulb, Edison had to find materials that can handle heat. Some technologies are costly to develop. The high cost of building prototypes can affect the cost of the final product. Some products, such as cars, can take years to develop because they must undergo safety and environmental testing. Don't forget to subscribe to receive every new video. This is Teaching Oasis.